Hi, welcome to InfoWare. We had a question today from a customer that I think might be interesting to everybody. And he was asking, how can I display MapTrip and my own user interface at the same time? And so basically what he says is MapTrip is taking up all the room of the screen, and I want to leave some room for my own buttons or user interface elements that he would like to have. So there is a way to do that, and you need to go to, if you look to your settings documentation or MapTrip documentation, there is a section, the documentation of the settings ini file. So there is a section called application, and within that section, at the very end, there are a couple of settings called layout margin left, right, top, and bottom. And when you enter that into your settings, so we can copy paste that from there, layout margin left, and then go to the application. Oh, there it is, layout margin left equals 500. So then the application MapTrip should leave some room about here and be restricted to that part over there. So let's do that. In order to do that, you need to go onto your mobile device. So here it is, a Pixel 3 internal memory. Then go to the MapTrip folder. We can do that MapTrip. Go to user, and in the user folder you will find the settings file. Now I have prepared this, and I'm just going to rename it settings old, and there's the other one. So that is the file that contains the additional entry, settings ini. Okay, now if we need to restart MapTrip. Okay, restarting it or ending it, restarting it, and there you see something looks funny. There you have the 500 pixel margin. If you tilt it sideways, now it makes sense. You have MapTrip fully functional, but you have some room on the left that you can use for other purposes, for your own buttons and interactions and stuff that interacts with MapTrip maybe, or that your own application does. So really simple. Quickly again, go to your documentation, MapTrip documentation. The file is called MapTrip settings doc. In the section application, there are these parameters, layout margin. Put that into the settings ini. Specify the number of pixels you would like to have on the screen, and then restart MapTrip. And there you go. I hope that was helpful.